Hi, this is King of Review. When x is an integer, find the solution set of the following compound inequalities. We'll solve each inequality separately. So we have negative 5 over 2 is less than 3x minus 4 over 3. And then our second inequality will be 3x minus 4 over 3 is less than or equal to x plus 2 over 4. So for our first inequality, we'll start by multiplying both sides by the LCD. In this case, our LCD will be 6. So we're going to multiply 6 by the right-hand side and by the left-hand side. So 6 times the left-hand side is 6 times negative 5 over 2. And for the right-hand side, it's 6 times 3x minus 4 over 3. When we simplify this, we get negative 15 is less than 6x minus 8. And then I'll add an 8 on both sides. And this gives us negative 7 is less than 6x, and dividing by 6 on both sides, we get negative 7 over 6 is less than x. This can also be written as x is greater than negative 7 over 6. Now for our second inequality, we'll start by multiplying both sides by the LCD, which is 12. So we have 12 times the left-hand side, which is 3x minus 4 over 3, is less than or equal to 12 times the right-hand side, which is x plus 2 over 4. And when we work this out, we get 12x minus 16 is less than or equal to 3x plus 6. And I'll add 16 on both sides. This gives us 12x is less than or equal to 3x plus 22. And then I'll subtract a 3x on both sides. This gives us 9x is less than or equal to 22, and dividing by 9 on both sides, we get x is less than or equal to 22 over 9. So when we combine these two inequalities, our first inequality and our second inequality, we get negative 7 over 6 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 22 over 9. So now let's plot this. If we have a number line here, here's negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So for negative 7 over 6, that's going to be in between the negative 1 and the negative 2. So we have an open circle here, somewhere in the between negative 1 and negative 2. That's where negative 7 over 6 is. And we have x is greater than negative 7 over 6. So that's going to be going to the right here. And then for our second inequality, we have x is less than or equal to 22 over 9. 22 over 9, that will be somewhere in between the 2 and the 3. And it's going to be a closed circle. So this point here is 22 over 9 here. So x is less than or equal to 22 over 9. So our arrow is going to the left here. So I'll use red to show the intersection of the two inequalities. So this area in here is the intersection between the two inequalities. And we're looking for a solution set that includes integers. So let's look at the intersection of our two inequalities and find the integers within that intersection. So we have negative 1 here, we have 0, we have 1, and we have 2. So our solution set is -1, 0, 1, and 2. Letter D is correct. Thanks for watching.